We recently tackled a major project here at National Gear Repair, repairing 68 Motovario Worm Gear Reducers. Motovario gearboxes are known for their versatility, powering everything from conveyors to packaging lines. But like any hard-working equipment, they face wear and tear. In this large batch, we consistently identified a few key failure points. Bearing failure was prevalent, often accelerated by lubrication issues or simply reaching end of life under demanding cycles. We also saw considerable wear on the worm gears in many of the units. And, as often happens, worn seals were leading to lubricant leaks and contamination. Our repair process begins with a thorough inspection and disassembly of each gearbox. We replaced all worn bearings and gears with premium, high-quality components, ensuring precise fits and tolerances. Leaking seals were replaced with robust, high-performance upgrades to ensure lubricant integrity. Every gearbox was then meticulously reassembled and rigorously tested to guarantee that it met or exceeded performance expectations. This project demonstrates our ability to handle complex, high-volume repairs. Whether you have one gearbox down or dozens, we provide solutions. We offer free freight and free quotes nationwide, as well as a 24-month warranty on all repairs. And we have an on-site gear manufacturing division that can manufacture gears up to 20 feet in diameter. And we also offer emergency rush repair services. When you need expert care, call National Gear Repair.